Hey guys, welcome back. This is your video for the TAKS practice 7.6a. This shouldn't be too crazy hard for you guys. It is only 10 questions. Yes, you need to answer them all, including the open-ended problem. I will walk you through a couple, and if you have any questions, let me know. You can always request a workshop, or you could ask a neighbor, or use the resources that you already have available to you, like your textbook and the internet. So, this one says, which two angles are not supplementary? Well, you can't do this one if you don't know that supplementary means that they add up to 180 degrees. So, what we need to do is look at each angle. It says angle ABG. So, ABG. That one's going to be 150. And CBG. So, CBG. That is 30. That does add up to 180. We want the one that does not add up to 180. So, can't be A. So, let's look at B. B says angle ABF. ABF. So, that's going to be 30 degrees. And GBA. So, where's G? GBA. That's 150. 150 and 30 also adds up to 180. So, B is out. Let's see if I can change my light here. That was a little bit bright, hard to see. See if that helps. Not so much. Alright, let me switch pens. We can get a little darker here. Okay. C says angle ABF. So ABF again, which is 30. And now this one doesn't want to work at all. There we go. This one is 30. And then angle FBE. So FBE. That one is 60. Well, 30 and 60 do not equal 180. So, C is our answer. You could also double check your other ones really quickly. It says DBC, which is 30, and ABG again, which is 150. So, no, can't be D, and we were correct. So, you need to read each question. Make sure you pay attention to what each one means, which the following could be the supplement of XYZ. So look at this. This is a very small acute angle. So in order for it to make a straight line, which is 180 degrees, you need to look through these choices. Okay? Could it be A? Well, A looks kind of promising. It's a nice long, or nice open, obtuse angle. This one isn't a right angle, so that's not going to be big enough. This one is already a 180 degree angle, so it can't be C. And D is another small, tiny, acute angle, which is not going to help us. We want one that's going to make it all the way to 180. We want the supplement. We want it to be 180. So, this one asks about complements. What you need to remember about complementary angles is they add up to 90 degrees. A sum of 90 degrees. So, we don't want a right angle. We want two angles that add up to 90 degrees. I'm not doing this one for you. You are going to have to do it. Here again, you got supplementary. Do not forget, supplementary has a sum of 180 degrees. That is your supplementary. On the back, there are more questions. 4 is dealing with complementary. 5 is dealing with complementary. 6, what is the angle of the smaller measure? You have to do a little bit of work on this one. Make sure you read the question closely. 7, which of the following is a supplement of the right angle? Well, you have to know how much does a right angle add up to, and what does supplementary mean? Number 8, if an angle measures 58 degrees, what angle would be its complement? Again, complement. You've got to know these different words, and you've got to understand them when they're written into word problems, not just plain problems with nothing on them. 9, what is the measure of the other angle? Again, you're going to need to set up an equation. You're going to need to figure it out, solve it out. And for your open-ended problem, make and label a sketch that shows angle pairs that are complementary and supplementary. Make a list of all of the complementary and supplementary angle pairs in your sketch. Don't just copy this from something. Create something on your own and make sure that it has complementary and supplementary and that you label and list which ones they are. So, if you have further questions, please be sure to Either ask a neighbor, ask me, request a workshop. You've got multiple options. You can always go back and rewatch this video or do a different DIY and come back to this one. So good luck, and let me know if you need anything.